Hey everyone! Welcome back to Online Scam Advisor, the channel where we uncover the truth behind trending online products and websites so you don't waste your hard-earned money. Today, we're diving into a very popular gadget that's been making waves on social media, the Ionos Smart Watch. But the real question is the Ionos Smart Watch actually worth buying, or is it just another overhyped online scam? Let's find out! So, what exactly is the Ionos smartwatch? According to the product listings and ads, it's a next-gen smartwatch that tracks your fitness, monitors your heart rate, counts your steps, and even claims to measure your blood pressure and oxygen levels. Some sellers even call it a premium Apple Watch alternative, but at a much lower price, usually between $40 to $70, depending on the website. Sounds too good to be true, right? Now, let's look at what customers are saying. Many buyers online claim that the watch looks nothing like the one shown in ads. Cheap build quality, poor battery life, and inaccurate health tracking features. Some even received completely different products or broken watches, and when they tried to contact customer service, guess what? No response. Also, the same watch is being sold on multiple websites under different names, which is a huge red flag. We also noticed that the so-called official Ionos website doesn't have clear company details, no verified address, and no return or warranty information, another major sign to be cautious. So, after checking reviews, seller backgrounds, and product quality, here's the truth. The Ionos smartwatch might look attractive because of its low price and fancy claims, but in reality, it doesn't live up to expectations. The lack of transparency, poor customer feedback, and multiple duplicate listings make it highly suspicious. If you truly want a reliable smartwatch, it's better to go for well-known brands that provide warranty and genuine customer support. So, is the Ionos smartwatch worth buying? Our verdict? Definitely not. Stay alert and don't fall for flashy ads that promise too much for too little. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to help others avoid scams. And as always, this is Online Scam Advisor, your trusted guide to staying safe online. Thank you!